Hi friends, you need a wonderful website, full featured website for your online store. And if you are targeting to create a stunning and full featured website for sports products and sports equipments, fitness products, this is a correct video for you. In this video, we are going to create a demo website using a super WordPress theme, and through that you can really create a wonderful and complete website for your sports store. And it is of course a very professional look for the sports store website, and you can really create such website in no time. So we have this target. In this video we are going to create a full featured sports and fitness products store website in this video. And if you are coming to this channel very first time, I request you to subscribe this channel, because I am bringing wonderful WordPress resources for you, through which you can really create great website and add more feature to your WordPress website. And you can also join the iCreate program, where we can help you in creating your complete website, and with all the services, and using no code or low code. So it is very important you can create your website at your own using this platform, and you can schedule chat, and you can connect with mentors, and you can get help from them while you are creating your website. So it is a wonderful platform. Just follow the link. All the links has been given in the description. So this is our target website in this video. So let us proceed towards understanding this theme that we are using for this website. Okay, sorry. So a sports store, this is our theme in this video, and it is a WooCommerce WordPress theme for a sports store, sports and fitness products. And it has been developed by CMS Master. So they are really very big name, CMS Master, and they actually create wonderful WordPress theme, and they are of course Power Elite author. The theme sports store came into existence in 2017, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. Sport store theme is an ultimate WooCommerce shop for sports equipment, fitness clothing, and other sports wear and fitness accessories. So you can extend WooCommerce section, and you can get a powerful website using this theme, and you will get all the features in this theme that you want for your online store. So without any further delay, let us proceed towards installation. To install a theme, you have to buy the theme, and I always used to say, don't take a hasty decision about choosing any theme. You have to understand its complete functionality and its feature of any particular theme that you are willing to choose. And this is the objective of this video, and all the video at this channel, to show you what is internally available with the theme pack. Okay, so you need a theme pack, and we have this theme pack. I'll show you what you are going to get in the theme pack. You will get demo content. This is the demo content folder, and documents, licensing, readme text, and main theme file, child theme file. So we are going to use this main theme file for our installation purpose. And another thing that you need, a wonderful hosting plan, full featured and well optimized hosting plan. Again, you can get the hosting plan using the link below in the description, and you'll get this complete cPanel for controlling your website, through which you can simply install the WordPress core using WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So I have already did this. This is a fresh installation of WordPress, and at which I'm going to install sports store WordPress theme. So let us begin the installation. Okay, so we have two options to upload the theme. Either we can use the direct upload through the WordPress interface, and as we can see, the theme size was around 20 MB. So we can use this option file manager for direct upload at our hosting. So I'm going to use file manager. So I'm going to instance that I'm using for this illustration, 27 WP content themes, and here we can directly upload the theme. You can also use the front end, the WordPress interface. I'm choosing this. So this is only sports-store.zip. This is only the installable file, you have to upload only this. Don't try to upload the complete folder. Okay, so I have selected and it was showing 17.5. now it is 16.70 MB. It is on an average, I have seen the most proficient and most widely used optimized WordPress theme come around 15 to 20 MB, so it is a very decent size. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction will bring this folder as sports store, and it has all the elements of the theme folders and files. So we can simply go back and delete this cheap one. It will save our server space. And as I said, you can also use this printed interface, WordPress interface, for uploading the theme. So we have uploaded the theme directly to the file manager, and we are fine with the theme, and I can show you the themes. Here is the sports store along with the default theme. 2023 is the default theme that comes with WordPress itself, and we have already installed the sports store through our backend using our file manager option. Okay, so here is the theme. Again, I'll tell you, under WP content you'll find the themes folder, in which you have to upload the theme if you are having direct access on your file manager. Okay, so this is the sports store, and I can check the details. This is the sports store version 1.1.7 by CMS Master. As I said, the CMS Masters being the original developer of the theme, we are just reviewing the theme here in this video. Okay, so a sports store WordPress theme is amazing. Okay, that is good. Here is some introduction, and we can simply activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation, we have this alert that we need to require this theme requires certain plugins, and there are multiple plugins that we need to install for using this theme. Let us begin installing these plugins, and after that I'll show you all the options. 18 plugins. Okay, so it is a big number, and mostly are WooCommerce and its associates. So these WooCommerce and these all are WooCommerce associates only, and these are only recommended plugins. Just in case if you are not going to use any of these features that is coming from these plugins, you can deactivate these plugins later after making your complete website, and you can go with only required plugins. So it is totally up to you, but I have to show you all the features that is available with the theme, and I am going to install all the plugins. So 18 plugins is a big number, and I always recommend to use minimum number of plugin at your website. So I have chosen all 18, and I'll try to install all 18 in one go, just in case if it works. And I have selected all selected install and clicked on apply option. I believe it will work, and it again depends on your server capacity. If you are using a wonderful server, well optimized hosting plan, all the plugins can be installed in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, as you can see, all 18 plugins got installed in few seconds. So I was saying, if you are not confident about your hosting capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. Okay, so we have installed all 18 plugins, and we can come back to the plugin screen, and this is time when we can activate all the installed plugins. This also can be done in a single click. So I have chosen all, and now activating all the installed plugins. So what we have did as of now so far, so we have installed the theme and installed all set of plugins, that is 18 plugins, and now we are activating all 18 plugins using the one go option, and it has been done successfully without any trouble. We have installed all such things. So coming back to the dashboard, we are here. It has been redirected to WooCommerce welcome page, and you have to fill all these credentials to complete your store details. So I'm skipping this for the time being. WooCommerce has been installed successfully, and it will work fine. So you can set all these parameters as you need for your online store, and we are fine with all these options. Okay, so we have completely installed the theme and plugins. So this is time when we can take a look of our website. This is a basic lookup website that is using the sports store WordPress theme, and this theme has been developed by the CMS masters, and you can follow the link given in the description to get the theme, to buy the theme. Okay, so I also wish to request you to join the iCreate platform. It is a wonderful platform through which you can really create amazing website using WordPress and the associated plugins. Okay, so it is very interactive platform. Okay, so let us proceed further, and this is time when we are targeting this website. This is our target website. This is the demo website that is using a sports store, and for this we need to import the demo content. So it is a main concern in WordPress website, how to import the demo content and how successfully we can import the demo content without any trouble. So it is always challenge for new setups and the low capacity servers, or if you are not using the theme or installation process properly. Okay, so let us proceed, and I will find the option where we can import the demo. And okay, so so import demo content is a separate link here, so I am going to simply click on this. And okay, so again we have multiple options here, like we can import the main, and we can choose what exactly we want to import at our website. So since it is a very new installation, I'm choosing all and simply clicking on import. And this is before you begin, make sure all the required and recommended plugins are activated. Okay, so I have clicked, but it is not okay. So on the tab it is rotating, so it is a bit confusing, but don't get confused. It is working in the background, and the tab is loading and the spinner is rotating. Now how we can check what is going? So just open the media library in another tab. It may show you if it is getting images here. Yes, we are getting multiple images. As of now, in just few seconds, we have received 42 images. Okay, so we have to wait patiently, and I can see we are not getting the original images, and the placeholder images are here, but it doesn't matter. We are not going to use the actual images at our website. These images are only for demonstration purpose. And yes, I can see the demo content already imported. Here is a message from us, and we can check our website now. If it is working fine, it should be here. And yes, okay, so wonderful, we have this complete website, and as I said, we have not received the images that has been used in the demo website, and that is not a matter of big deal, because we are not going to use. Just in case, if you are willing to use these images, you can download these images subjected to copyright issue. So it is totally your call, and you can directly upload the image to your website, just in case if you want to use the images. Okay, so it is totally up to you how you are comfortable in using the images. This is our website, and it is complete in all respect, I believe. Okay, I can show you the inner pages, and this is a shop page, so it don't have any image. And we can check the another page. This is home and landing page. I mean, this is the page where home and fitness products, sports products can be shown. Again, this is another filtration for main products, and it is all working fine, so it is fine. Now we have completed the import installation process, and this is time when we can show you, we can overview what are features available in this installation, and what actually we can do at the admin panel, and how we can customize our website. So I'll show you the new tabs only. Mail Poet is for mail subscription. Cookies is just for handling the cookies information. I'm not going to show all these things, because I'll only show you the important things. Projects. So projects is being controlled through a separate tab. Just keep in mind, don't keep any demo data, I mean unused data at your installation. If you are not going to edit these things, just delete these things. Okay, and similarly profiles. Okay, so all profiles can be handled from here. This is profile tab. Okay, And next I can see there is nothing, layer sliders, revelation, theme settings. So basically theme setting is the thing that we can overview here, what we can do from this screen. Okay, this is very simple screen, and the retina logo image can be uploaded directly from here. There is no image, so it is not showing anything, it is here. Okay, so logo, header part, so fixed header overlap content by default, and it is very simple and easy to use admin panel. So again, you can layout type and archive layout type and all settings have been given here, and the footer elements. So in a WooCommerce website, you have to control everything from the product section itself, whatever you are like. This is one of the products, and if once you upload the product images, it will be visible here, and it goes without saying all the products is yours, and you have to upload the complete product details here. So I believe you know how to upload the product details. Just in case if you are willing to have any support, iCreate team is here, and you can simply get in touch with us, or you can even simply put any comment in this video. Okay, fine. So we have created this demo website for further editing and customization, and it is working fine. And we used a sports store WordPress theme for this, and you can buy this theme by following the theme forest link, buy button link given in the video description. Let's meet in another video in which I'm going to bring more WordPress resources for you. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.